Hi there, my name is Shannon Allen. I'm the founder of Aroma Boutique, and I just want to personally thank you for choosing our bath rituals as a tool to help you release any tension you may be feeling, help you get grounded and centered so that you leave the bath or your shower feeling restored. Each of our bath rituals will have a base mixture of pink Himalayan salt and Epsom salts. Pink Himalayan salts are highly anti-inflammatory, meaning they will help calm any inflammation that you may be feeling in your body or your skin. This salt is also fabulous for drawing in moisture deeper into your skin. Epsom salts are a wonderful tool for exfoliation. The salts will help you naturally exfoliate and slush off all of that dead, dry skin. The balanced bath ritual is the perfect bath for when you feel like you are needing a little bit of balance or that you're out of balance. Balance has the essential oils of ylang ylang, French lavender, bergamot, juniper berry, and patchouli. Ylang ylang is a wonderful essential oil to help calm any of those heart palpitations you may be feeling. It also will assist your body in detoxification and will soothe any inflammation in your body. French lavender is a great oil that will help soothe any muscular tension you may be feeling and will help calm any restlessness. Bergamot soothes overstrung nerves and exhaustion you may be feeling, and it can improve an individual's mental health and well-being. Juniper berry calms inflammation while helping you release any nervous tension. And patchouli balances the emotions and can rekindle any desire inside you and also help calm anxiety. I hope that you feel like you have found a little bit of balance in your day after taking this bath ritual. Enjoy. Down in the video notes, you will see a link for Insight Timer. I have paired up different meditations that I think work wonderful with each bath ritual. So go ahead, soak, plug into a wonderful meditation and take a moment to clear your mind so that you are ready for your day or ready for a restful night's sleep. Enjoy.